Hello, I am Coltrane, and I am going to try and show you how to pig squeal. Let me inform you, it's not easy. Some it may come naturally, but some just give up. You can't do it. If you can't do it, you can't do it. But I'm gonna try and help you do it. Help boost your self-esteem. Whatever. Anyways, well, first I like to say, just try going like this. Kind of like if you ever seen the movie The Grudge, the noise that goes it's like that, but just kind of clench and just, it's all inhaling. I don't know how people pig squeal exhaling it. It's no. Anyways, so basically you just go, you take that, and when you're making that gurgling sound in your throat, you're inhaling at a certain pace while clenching your chest, and just try to inhale faster so it makes it so instead of going so you can hear like the little vibration, like the speed is vibrating, like if you just clench and inhale a little faster, then it'll go and it just sounds more like a clean sound. And once you have that, then you just go and you take that noise and you shape your mouth how you want it to sound. Like for deep sounds, I like to go like this. So if I was going and then basically you want to up the pitch, I basically open my mouth more and just tighten my neck more, like anyways, so you can just go I'm not very good at it, but I can try and teach you. Anyways, just practice that. Just practice the and then you just direct that noise into wherever you want in your mouth to change the pitch. So I can go, it's all in your lips and the way you form your mouth. So if I'm going and I want to do it lower, then I'd go and then even lower, then I like drop my jaw more. And then I'm not very good at high-pitched ones, but no. But pretty much all I've got in me. So there you go.